Hello, I'm Miss A. Soma. Welcome back. In this video, we are talking about how to use Japanese I and you. Before starting this video, please notice while you are studying Japanese by your own language, you have to say I or you. So don't worry using Watashi and Anata. This video was made for a deeper understanding of Japanese culture, not for overwhelming you. So don't be shy to speak Japanese differently from Japanese people. Okay? Here we go! In my video, why do Japanese people don't say the subject? I explained that we usually omit the subject I. And the many I's are kind of like avatars. So what does avatar here mean? We usually don't say I. So when we say I, 私、俺、僕、私、うち、足、it's not just a pronoun like in English. Japanese eyes express what kind of character they are or what they want to be seen as in relationships. The basic image of eyes are like this. 私 common or polite. 私 very polite or people from high society. 僕 male, casual, gentle or just a kid. 俺 male, rough, wild. 私 female, casual or male merchant. And girl. おらora, おいら rural, friendly. わし white, old people, rural. 俺様 male, arrogant. 私 female, sounds snobby. うち female in Kyoto. うちあつし young girls. あたいあちき we never use it. 拙者それがし samurai. Japan is a free country, so you can use any pronoun you like among your really close friends. You can enjoy pretending to be samurai, calling yourself 拙者 or それがし which is samurai style. I 拙者ラーメンが食べたいでござる kind of like that. Just be aware that you might be laughed by others. However, in real society, I mean in the business scene, at schools, or among neighbors, I recommend using 私 for everyone. 私 is not too formal, not too polite. It's gentle, common, and it shows that you have good manners. Using 私 proves that you are a good members of society.
Example 1.
これ誰かお願いできます？私がやります。ありがとう。And if you are a male, 僕 is also okay, especially when you are new or younger than others. これ誰かお願いできます？僕がやります。ありがとう。大丈夫です。俺やります。俺やる。You may hear some Japanese people use 俺 in the business scene. I wouldn't recommend using it. When you speak to customers, you have to choose 私 or 私 to show customers respect.
Example 2.
私、この度担当になりました佐藤です。よろしくお願いします。
Even when your boss says 俺 you shouldn't.
Example 3.
どうも俺はこういうのが苦手でな。
俺もわかんない。
なんでタメ口なんだよ。
タメ口 not a digital pet. タメ口 means that talking to someone with same polite level. In Japanese society, we have to show some respect to elders or bosses, not just in the business scene, in schools or in family, almost everywhere. タメ口 is not good to use with elders. And about girls, I think it's a bit unfair, but girls are required to say 私 or 私. あたし or あたい or うち、わい、all of them are not required to use in business scene. In your off time, like while you are playing with your friends, it's better to ask them which I you should use.
Example 4.
ねえねえ、ゲームやらない？
私はやります。
私ってなんか硬くない？
俺はやる。
Sounds good.
Example 5.
あのさ、ここ、俺んち。
ねえ、俺ってなんかやだ。僕にしない？
ここ、僕んち。
あ、かわいい。
俺 sounds a bit wild. Nowadays, girls like 僕. So, 僕 in front of his mother, 俺 in front of his girlfriend. This example might be wrong. In my younger days, it's natural, but nowadays, girls like gentle boys than wild guys. So many boys use 僕 in front of their girlfriends recently. Languages have been changing with their cultures and histories. In my childhood, I've heard おら足 わし or the あたい in my real life. But nowadays it's very rare. I just can't find them in anime or movies. We can just catch the image of them with the characters who use them. About you. You should use them carefully. We use less than eyes. あなた、君、お前、本当に言わないです、あんまり。As I said, we always feel we subconsciously when we're talking. And you know, you belongs to we. So, when we usually use you, especially when we focus our own opinions and feelings, when the speaker uses you, that means the speaker focuses their own opinion or feelings.
Example 6.
Confession of love.
僕は君が好きです。
Love is our own main deep feeling, definitely. So you can hear many あなた or お前 or あんた in Japanese enkas. Enka is songs mainly sing deep love relationship. お前の道連れにじゃららんらららんあなたのためにじゃらららららん守りとした女のみさおらら Anger is a really personal feeling, so we use お前 or あなた in a battle or quarrel.
Example 7.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Example 8.
ちょっとあなた、今日は燃やすゴミの日ですよ。
So that's why I don't recommend using あなた、君、お前 They are related to personal feelings and it's really easy to be misunderstood. However, in a business scene, some bosses call others 君 or お前 or あなた。
Example 9.
君ちょっとここ間違ってるよ。
Or in schools,
廊下を走ってはいけません。あなた、名前は？
some elders use pronouns when talking to younger people, but some younger people don't like to be called by these pronouns. So, how should we call others? Last name plus さん。山田さん、加藤さん、田中さん is best. So I'll explain about くん、ちゃん、さん、さま in my next video. どうもありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。See you!